Hi, my name is Ahmet Ozer. I represent the company IJO. IJO is a company specialized in sustainable IT, so we do provide consulting and research, allowing large accounts, major accounts and multinationals to calculate very precisely the carbon footprint of IT departments and then to build action plans to decarbonize the IT.
What do you mean research?
Well, actually, our clients do provide some specific technologies regarding AI, regarding VDI, and they do ask us to make some specific studies to understand very deeply how these technologies have been developed and what are the life cycle items that allow us to calculate very precisely the carbon footprint.
So, do you need AI for this?
Well, actually, AI might be useful for our activities. For now, we don't use AI for the simple reason that we are not able to calculate seriously the carbon footprint of AI. So we did some studies regarding AI for our clients who do have some use cases internally in their organizations. There are some studies in the market with some universities, and we do participate to some studies as well. But we do provide actually an understanding of all these studies, and we help clients to calculate the carbon footprint of their own use cases.
So your business is just about the carbon footprint?
Well, actually, it might be a bit reducing because we do integrate some other criteria than carbon. Actually, it's the environmental footprint, and after calculating the environmental footprint, the goal is to build some action plans, allowing to put in place some action plans with the clients regarding their cloud consumption, regarding the life cycle of their products, of their equipment, of the hardware servers, and regarding as well the management of the software that they buy from the large providers.
So when I look at the wall here, it says, what is this, calculator of IJO project? What does that mean?
Yeah, Calculatrice IJO project is a tool that we developed allowing clients to calculate before starting a new project, estimating the footprint of this project. And we push the clients who do have the willingness more and more to understand what would be the footprint of the project before starting it. The goal is to think about a potential resizing of the project. Sometimes they might decide to not go on a project or to change some parameters. So it's at the beginning of the project, and during the life cycle of the project, they have the ability to readjust all the data and understand more precisely what is the footprint of this project.
So the carbon footprint of products and services in the company?
Yeah, the carbon footprint of products and services is different. It's for tech providers who, for example, provide cloud services or software services. We help them building a methodology to calculate precisely the footprint of the products and services that they do provide for their clients. Actually, they do need this information from time to time for their RFPs, but most of the time is for their clients. For example, we did this job for OVH Cloud, which is a large cloud provider based in
the
France.
leader in European cloud, no?
In Europe, actually, it's the leader, and they do are very serious in their approach regarding the sustainability. And our goal was to develop a calculator with them, allowing the clients, the end clients, to understand what is the footprint of the services they consume with OVH Cloud.
So it worked?
Actually,
the project is working?
Yeah, we did part of the project. They provide the carbon footprint for some of their products, and we are still continuing the developments with them to develop the methodology.
Does that mean every company that uses OVH Cloud can use this also to know exactly how much footprint their company's project is using?
Actually, it will allow any company who is client of OVH Cloud to understand what is the footprint they generate by using the services provided by OVH Cloud. And the thing is, this topic is very interesting because we do have some carbon calculators provided by hyperscalers. But one of our job as well is, when we are from the client side, to understand what is in the cloud calculator provided by the hyperscalers, or to be more precise, to understand what is not in this calculator.
So for more than 10 years, I've been doing videos about ARM-powered servers. Instead of Intel, it would be ARM. And some of these OVH and guys, they have this as an option, right? Where maybe you can switch your cloud architecture to ARM, and you can run more for less power. You think about this?
Actually, we are not acting at this part of the job. We can help giving them some advices about what they might do, but technically they are doing the operation on their side.
And here it says fresco of the climate. What does that mean?
Yeah, right. Raising awareness and training our clients is a huge topic. Actually, our specialty mainly was to train technical teams to understand what they can do on their side regarding sustainable IT. But for more and more of our clients, the real topic now is to understand how they can bring some sustainable IT skills and understanding to their whole teams within the organizations. The advantage of the Fresk is that it's a very effective tool to train the top management, and for clients who are motivated to train some trainers internally within their organization, allowing them to deploy very largely within the organization an approach to raise awareness. But actually there is another tool that we do provide, which is called IJO Learning, which is a platform allowing every people from every services in the organization to understand what is the carbon footprint generated by the activity of this person and what they can do at their level to decrease the footprint of IT.
Where are you based?
We are based mainly in Paris, Rennes, Toulouse, so mainly based in France, which is leading the sustainable IT activities. We do have office in Geneva, and we represent our activities in Switzerland, but our clients are mainly based all over the world. We do work with some multinationals, basically especially with the luxury sector, the banking sector. Public sector is leading as well regarding sustainability, and we do see more and more industrial companies that are moving forward.
You have a whole platform, like an UI with people put in the carbon and stuff, and
we are providing the consulting aspect. We do provide some tools when we do the job with the client, but basically when clients ask to go through an industrialization or would like to automate some approaches, we do work with some of our partners who are providing the tooling aspects.